Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into some simple ways to showcase why data quality is important to an organization or just in general. So what we have here is some dummy data where we've got some tenant IDs, tenant names, email addresses and phone numbers. So within this data we've got quite a few data quality issues. So starting off with our first tenant, so his email address is null and his phone number is null. So straight away that is a customer or a tenant that we cannot contact unless we've got his address, for example, and that's also then if we've got his address correct. So here we've also got Betty, we've got two Bettys, so here we've got a correct email address, so that's all fine, and we've got a phone number which will go that is also fine. And Betty here, so again that's all fine, but down here with Stacy we can see that her email address is not complete and the phone number is a duplicate of Betty, so it's an incorrect phone number and the email address is also incorrect as well, so we wouldn't be able to contact Stacy as well, again, unless we can have her address and that's correct and we can mail things out to her. But regardless, we've got email address and phone number that for two customers we can't use and we can't contact them in that manner. So yeah, this demonstrates the huge importance of data quality for an organization. It's not just about having data, it's also having good quality data that you can utilize and exploit and gain insight from for the organization to help them perform better, target their tenants in this example or customers better. So yeah, data quality is hugely important and something that every organization or anyone working with data needs to take into account to be able to get the full benefit from the data itself. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.